Hi guys, it's Mrs. Holbrook and it's so good to see you. We are starting a new unit today and I'm excited about this because you might notice that my backdrop, my board looks a bit different. What color do you see a lot of? The salmon pink color, that's right, because this unit we're really going to be talking about double vowel syllables. So we're going to be exploring and reviewing all of these double vowels that you've learned before and learning some new ones as well. So you see we have our vowels up here, our digraphs here, the newer green glued sounds, and then all the R control and all of these double vowels or vowel teams. Okay, so let's do a little bit of a warm up with the ones that we know. Let's do our green ones, our glued sounds. IVE, give, iv. STLE, castle, soul. TION, vacation, shun. SION, mansion, shun. SION, television, jun. Nice job. Okay, and we're gonna just really jump into our work today. Are you ready for this? Okay, watch me build a word. I'm gonna bring you a little bit closer. And when I build these, because we don't have our consonants up here anymore, I'll be writing part of it and I will be building part of it. Here we go. Okay, check out this word. What does it say? Bait. Very good. And how about this? What does this one say? P-O-A. Play. Good. Remember when you tap, A-I and A-Y both only get one tap because it's just one sound. And now, do you remember this rule? That when two vowels go together and they make one sound in the word, it's a double vowel syllable. And we nickname it just the D because the vowels are working together as a team. So to mark this, here's what it would look like. Check out the word train. Train. If I was going to mark that word train, I would of course scoop the syllable. And then when I look at the vowels, I would see, well, there's two vowels, but just one sound. The AI says A, so I need to write the D beneath it. And you can do a lowercase or an uppercase D. And we circle team. We keep them together to show that they only make one sound. Train. Yeah, and if you look back at our words, we remember AI says A and AY says A. Those are both teams that make the same sound. They both say A. And when we circle the double vowel, the vowel combination, it's to remind us of the keyword that can help us with the sound. Speaking of all of those sounds, we should review them. So if you kindly take out your student notebook, I want you to go ahead and find the part in the beginning in the sounds that says vowel teams. Okay, find those vowel teams. And this is where you can always look to check all of them. So I want you to be open on this page while we review some. Okay, so you look at your pictures and repeat after me. AI, bait A. AY, play A. EE, jeep E. EY, key E. Make sure you're repeating them and looking at the pictures in your notebook. IE, piece E. Some of these are newer and we'll be studying more this year. EA, EE. OA, boat O. OE, toe O. O-W, snow-o, O-W, plow-ow. This one can say O or ow. This one has two different sounds too. O-U, trout-ow, O-U, soup-oo. Two sounds as well. U-E, blue-oo, U-E, rescue you. E-W, chew-oo. Two sounds on this guy. O-O, school-oo, O-O, book-ook. Okay, on our last row down here. O-I, coin-oi. O-Y, boy-oi. A-U, August-aw. A-W, saw-aw. Okay, fantastic job with all of those. So remember, a double vowel syllable can be combined with another syllable type to make a longer word. All right, check it out. Let me move my A's back. I'm gonna grab my syllables and put two up here to make a two-syllable word. And watch this. We have these letters on the first syllable and these letters on the second syllable. What's the word say? Remain. That's right. And how would we mark this? I want you to take out your whiteboards right now, copy down the word remain, and show me how to mark it. Remain. Okay, you should be scooping the syllables. It's a two-syllable word, remain. And look at that first syllable. I see the vowel with nothing after it, so that means it's open. And we put the macron over the E, it's a long E, re. And how about main? Do you see the team? Circle that vowel team, and it's a double vowel, so we put the D beneath it. Okay, I want you to try marking another one. It's another two-syllable word. What does it say? Read it to me. Relay. Can you please mark it? Copy it down and mark it. Like a relay race. Okay, what did you come up with, my friends? Scoop the syllables. We have that same first syllable. It is open with the macron over the E. And what did you come up with for lay? Yeah, it's a vowel team. So double vowel, and we circle the AY. Relay. Okay, you ready to try some more? Okay, erase. And let's copy down the word. Check it out. What does this word say? Obtain. If you're going to obtain something, you're going to get it. Like if you're going to do construction on your house, you need to obtain a permit. You need to go through the steps to get something. Okay, scoop it and mark it for me. Obtain. Okay, what's this one? Closed. So it's a short O. And what's this one? Another vowel team, double vowel. So we put the D. Awesome. Very nice job. Let's do a couple more today. This is really just getting us back into reviewing all of these different vowels. Let's do, here we go. What does this word say? Window. Okay, scoop it and mark it. Okay, this one's closed. It's a short I. And how about dough? Yeah, see, there's that OW. That is a vowel team. Even though a W is not a vowel, it changes the sound of it, so it acts like it's a vowel team. It can say O or ow. In this one, it's saying O, window. and we put our D underneath it for a double vowel. Okay, my friends, let's try another one for review. Okay, this one is actually a compound word. What does it say? Oh, I made it a little darker. What's the word? Rainbow. Good. Let's scoop the syllables and go ahead and mark it. I see a vowel team, D for double vowel, and another one. Both of these syllables are double vowels. AI says A, OW can say O or ow, and in rainbow, it says O. Okay, let's try this next word. Go ahead and erase. Repeat after me. Grown. It's just one syllable, so we'll write it on one. There's a blend. Grown. And this is the kind of grown I'm talking about. What kind of syllable is this? It's got O-A in it, so it's D for vowel team. And this is a sound-alike word. There's another type of grown. There's O-W that also says O. They're both Ds. They're both double vowel syllables. This one means to groan. Oh, I don't want to do it. And this one means something has grown. Oh, you've grown. Okay, my friends, here's what we need to do. I want you to make sure that you're really used to using your student notebook for these. So we need to go to the syllable section of the notebook. So go ahead and be looking through until you find syllables. Okay, and here's what we're going to do. If you found it, it says vowel digraph or diphthong. These are the D syllables. And those fancy words, vowel digraph. Let's talk about that one right now. So a digraph is most of these when we have two vowels together, but only one sound. Like this one. There's only one sound. It just says A. So we want to put an example of that, like the word coach. So we'll go ahead and next to where it says plain, well, let's write the word coach, C-O-A-C-H. And let's scoop it to show that it's got one double vowel team, right? That is a vowel digraph. Let's add in another one, like the word destroy. Now this one is actually an example of a diphthong. Have you ever heard that word before? So a diphthong, these are both part of the double vowels. When you have two vowels together, but they make kind of one of the vowel sounds and then it glides into the next, it kind of makes a different sound, like these ones. They say oi. That's not our typical sound. Oi. It's kind of got both of them. Or aw. Okay. That's not a typical vowel sound, so those would be diphthongs. So we're going to give an example of that down on the next line in the word destroy. Destroy. That OY says oi. And it doesn't matter if it's a diphthong or a vowel digraph, they're still marked as D. So go ahead and check those and copy them in just like me. And then you are done for today. Nice job.